Tinnitus is a serious problem for many. It often manifests as a persistent ringing sound that never goes away. For most people, tinnitus happens because the brain attempts to adjust for hearing loss. Notched sound therapy is a new treatment for tinnitus. Listening to notched sounds can gradually reorganize the connections inside of your brain. This helps to reverse the adjustment error responsible for your tinnitus. As a result, the volume of your tinnitus can go down. AudioNotch is a software program that creates notched sound therapy customized for your particular tinnitus frequency. AudioNotch's software is available via a mobile app and also as a web app that's accessible online. One account allows you to access both of these apps. AudioNotch treats tinnitus in 3 simple steps. In step 1, you use our software to match the particular frequency of your tinnitus. In step 2, you select either your own music or our preset sounds. AudioNotch processes this audio by notching out the sound energy around your particular tinnitus frequency, turning it into notched sound therapy. In step 3, you listen to your customized notch sound therapy and the volume of your ringing goes down over time. All 3 steps can also be completed with our web application as well. You can match your tinnitus frequency, create notched sound therapy, and listen to notched sound therapy through our web app, which can be accessed from any device with internet access, such as a computer or phone. AudioNotch is backed by an unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. To learn more and read about the research behind notched sound therapy, check out our website. AudioNotch. Turn down your tinnitus.